back, guys. Wow, it's been so long since I've really been able to get on the water and on my kayak. I just had a son, and I can't be more thankful to my wife and my family for helping out and allowing me to do this during the circumstances. I want to say welcome back to those who have subscribed and know already about the channel. But I also want to say hi again and hello and welcome to the new people that are watching this. Please don't forget to subscribe. Check out the older videos from last year. We had great adventures last year. I'm here in a place we've already fished in the channel before, just because I know this place very well and I want to just catch some monsters, and I know there are some big ones here. So stay tuned and let's go get them. Okay, so we're out on the water, and I can tell you guys right now the water clarity is pretty clear. Probably the cleanest I've ever seen it. I can tell you guys right now it's about 3 to 5 inches of visibility right now. So we have to use natural colors that resemble what's in here. And what we know is here is bluegill. We know that, and crappie. So we have to represent that and throw it around, you know, the bushes, the trees, and all that stuff, and also see if the fish are shallow. This around the time where they should be spawning already, or in the process of spawning. The water's still kind of cold, but maybe just around the right time for this place. Every place is a little bit different in that sense. Wondering what I'm throwing. These are called the Carl's Amazing Baits paddle grub, the 2-inch smoked silver flake. I like this color a lot because it represents kind of like a crappie in here, and I know there's crappie, so that's what we're gonna try to imitate here with this. This is not the trout magnet, obviously. It's the trout magnet hook, but with a little paddle tail. Let's see if we can actually fling this far enough. It's not terrible. So I'm also throwing something new to this channel. And this is a drop shot. It's a weight on the bottom here, and this over here hanging out. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it hooked like this. I may just nose hook it, but let's see. It's something new to this channel. We've never really drop shot fished here before. Let's see how we do. Here is a very good method, and I see a lot of people catching them with it. So there's really not much wind, so it's a beautiful day out. It's not gonna be that hot. That's the only thing. Oh, fish on. Fish on already, guys. Look at this. Oh my god, big fish. Big fish. Oh my god. Guys, are you kidding me? The drop shot does it. Yes. Let's go. Wow. Wow. Look at that hook set, guys. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Nice fish. She's a post spawner. That probably tells me we're a little bit late for the spawn, but what a beautiful fish. She has got a big head. Look at that fish, guys. She's ready to go. Drop shot, baby. Holy god. We didn't get a weight on her, but she was probably, I would say, close to 2 pounds maybe, but not a really huge fish. We have a lot of time left and a lot of fish to catch, apparently. Let's hope. Let's not jinx ourselves here, but that was a really nice fish there. So let's keep at it. Yeah. Oh, huge carp. Look at that. The water is so clear, guys. Jeez, that was a huge carp. So seeing that big carp like that, he was pretty deep, and just goes to show you the visibility in this place today. All right, back to the chatterbait. This huge carp, huge carp. I don't know what they're doing there, but I do hear them all around. It seems like it's getting some bites. It's tough to fish it since there's a lot of branches and stumps over here. But definitely gets bites. Every single time you get snagged. That's something. Another little bluegill or something. So here it goes. First cast on. As soon as I turn the camera on. Small little bluegill. Fish on. Ooh, where it is, it's fighting hard. Oof, it's a huge bluegill. Holy God. No wonder it was fighting so good. Sheesh. That's it. Ooh, he just peed all over me. That's a good eater size right there. Ooh, that's a bass. Ho ho ho. Oh ho ho. Oh, she's fighting hard. Oh. Yeah, baby, let's go. Oh my God, that was so much fun on this rod, guys. Are you kidding me? That is a solid fish, chilling right here on the flats. Just on this area, you can tell all this area is flat area. It's a flat area. Another bluegill. Big one at that. Man, this lure so far is catching them. Great choice of lure. I just picked these up too from Carl's shop. Carl's. These people, I gotta say, the people that work there and the website, everything is set up perfectly. I had an issue online. I forgot to change my address when I moved, and you just go into the little message box and message them. They change it like literally right away. These people are so responsive, so go check them out. And if you could get like a little membership, and honestly, I think it's like $50 if I'm not mistaken, but it's so worth it because you're saving so much money, especially someone like me that, you know, goes through a lot of, you know, baits and lures and stuff. Another fish. It's just another bluegill. No. And they're stacked over here. This little thing is ripping them apart. Let's go. Holy God, look at how big this fish is. Look how big that belly is. Sheesh. Got one already. Another nice bluegill. Super nice one. Sheesh. A huge bass. Oh my God. Woo!
Lost 2-3 pounders over here yesterday.
Woo! They're chilling on the shallows, man. Literally, she was hanging out right on the shallows. She's 1 pound, 7 ounces. Nice long fish. Fish up. Another nice bluegill. Why do they always pee? First cast. Right over there. Another big bluegill. Holy. Yep. Oh my God. Another little one. Look at the markings on this. Huge bluegill. Sheesh. Bass. Oh my god. No! Wow. That was the nicest bass of the day. That was definitely the biggest bass of the day. That was a big fish. Very big fish, guys. Can't believe I just messed that one up. Huge one. Jeez, they just keep getting bigger and bigger over here. Why I turned it off? Oh, that was the bass that was swimming right across. Holy sh! I don't know why I turned the camera off. She was swimming right across here. I just tossed it over there. She grabbed it and smacked it. She wasn't going anywhere. What a beauty of a fish, huh? She is shorter than the bigger ones that I've caught, but she's still a beaut. She is a beauty. Look at me. Holy. There's like 6 of them just swimming with each other. Oh. Oh my god. 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 Oh my god, he hit it like 3 times. Come on. Oh my god. Wow. He hit it like 3 times. Jeez, and he came back for it. Little bass. There we go. Damn. Holy, jeez. God, they get just bigger and bigger in this place. Look how fat that one is. Holy cow. It's like they're all huge over here. This bluegill. Oh, fish on. That's a bass. Another decent bass. Look at the spot on that one, guys. Wow, beautiful fish. Probably again just roaming the shallows here. You hit the right spots where they're at, they're gonna bite. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, what a day it has been. Definitely figure something out a little bit different here, but also the time of the season, the time of the month, the time of the year makes a big difference here. Obviously, right now they're eating. The water is finally warming up enough for them where they're moving around, eating, they're gorging up, and I think they've already spawned over here, but I'm not 100% sure. We were very successful today. Guys, also, I don't know if you know, all the stuff that I use is down below. I usually put the links and the name and all that stuff. If you guys have any questions, please comment below and let me know what you guys think of these videos and any ideas that you guys are thinking for me to do in the future. Again, thank you guys for your support, and hopefully I'll be putting more videos upcoming soon. I'll do the best I can. Thank you so much again, and catch you out on the water on the next time.